All right, everybody. I just want y'all to hear this. And I'm going to tell y'all where that's coming from. Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a month. I've been putting off making videos. I've had a few video ideas that I just didn't want to put out there. So this video, as y'all can probably see by my, what do you call it? The YouTube thumbnail. You can tell what this video is about to be about. This is the reason why I would not buy the pusher style intake manifold off of eBay. And here's why. Because I know there's a huge price difference. I know right now that these intakes are going for like $110 on eBay, and the pusher style intake is, I think, $400 something. But here's the reason why I would not buy this thing off eBay again. There's just no excuse for it. I've tried to actually talk to the eBay seller, trying to resolve the issue, and I've given them about 2 weeks and they haven't done anything for it. So here we are. I'm gonna make a video on it, so stay tuned. All right, let's get straight into it. As you can see, this is the pusher style intake manifold. Let's just lift this up here. How about that? This is the pusher style intake. Has the dent in it and everything. This is brand new. I only had it on the truck maybe an hour or maybe 2 hours trying to figure out what was going on with it. But everything looks fine and dandy. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it here, you know. The issue I actually ended up coming up with was that I continuously had a boost leak. It was a boost leak that was right here in this region. Well, let me go right here. It was a boost leak that was about right here, as you can kind of see on the video. You can see the curve in the plate. You can see it. But I had a boost leak. No matter what I torqued it down to or the torque pattern that I put on it, it stayed curved, and it continuously had a boost leak. So this part right here, junk. That is really the main reason. I just wanted my followers and my subscribers and everybody who's into these trucks to see this. So hold on. All right, everybody, try to bear with me on this one. I'm gonna try to get it as best I can. I've lost my tripod. So what's this called? This a straight edge. You see that sunlight right there? Or let's just lift it up. Yeah, let's see that. See that right there? That should not be there. Not at all. Let's just make that clear. All right. So even after I put the gasket on and I tried to fiddle with it and wiggle it here and there and try to push it forward back, nothing worked. I eventually put the straight edge to it and realized that the mating surfaces wasn't 100% true, and the rest of the story goes downhill from there. I just wanted to make this video just to let my subscribers and my whoever's following or watching these videos know not to buy the pusher intake style. Not saying don't buy it from Pusher or anything, so please, Pusher, do not get mad at me. But if you're looking on eBay, please do not purchase this item. And if you do purchase it from eBay, please make sure as soon as you get it back in, or as soon as you get it in, you make sure that the maintenance services is completely flat. I let this part sit in my basement for a whole month before I even looked at it after getting it, which is a fault of my own. So now I'm out of $70 or $80. But hey, this is my video for y'all, to look out for y'all, to show y'all and help y'all out in the future.
Never had a
So
lot
from
of
your
shit
boy
come
Jamarrel
easy.
J,
Had to
as
work
always,
hard, struggle just
hug
to
someone
be
if you
me.
can,
Had to
'cause you
rise
never know
up
what
just
the
so they
limit
could
of
see
obstacle that
me.
person could
Did
face.
what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.